We're at Little Easton today, a little village show. That's quite a bit here, Ploughing match and stuff like that, so some old cars and bits. So that's where we are today. We're just going to have a look, we've just got here, so we're just going to have a look around now. What's the cars for? So he's driving a fire engine.
Can you drive it then?
There you go, Lou. You want to have a... Hold on, I'm going to look at the back. Let's see what they've got on him. What's that?
Oh yeah,
I have.
But of course the big risk always is free moving in a strange environment, you know, it can be a problem.
Yeah, what?
Just to
Yeah, I'll have a look that way in a minute.
remind you, basic commands, 4 basic commands to gather from either side, 2 different commands. The basic principle is balancing the sheet. So right, okay.
Yeah, with a hand start.
That dot is settled. We have a young man, Ben. Oh, you've done what we've got. Spare your indulgence just for a moment while we get our little hurdle set up. I think Jerry will tell you where he wants them. So if we
What's the soon clean? What's the dirty you?
And I'll get a couple myself. To be telling you is about Jerry himself, because
Hey?
I know that he's well known in this area as your local vet, with his practice in Dumno, and I believe also in Tackley. Must be all of, let me think, 30 years ago when I first met Jerry. And Jerry was a vet then, of course, but he also had a dream, and that was to have a working sheepdog, something that he'd been familiar with in his childhood, coming from a small farm in Ireland, but having a dog that was trained properly to work. And partly because it becomes obsessive because it is a very difficult thing to do properly. So we're hoping now that we can sort. You can see now we have a pair of gates in the middle of the obstacle. The sheep coming forward now. Through a variety of these whistled commands, effectively it's left, right, stop, start. And then he'll set off on the drive element. Anybody who can remember the old One Man and in His Dog program will see that driving is equally part of the competition of sheep-dog trials. You gather your sheep and you drive your sheep. You see another little set of through our little set of gates. Now you see there's another obstacle.
That's an awesome show, isn't it?
In front of the commentary box.
Huh?
I'm sure that that's the coming on back of the boat. How they were free and developers. They're so tight. And obviously an outstanding job. Yeah. Our wonderful Christmas story that got involved over thousands of years with the right, so now we are in the final and now the final chapter is imagine this is a field, but you have a very vivid imagination. Imagine this is a mountain top, and our sheep are now probably looking up on that, and they're all successfully landed in the bed.
You look at that one through the camera, you see the colours changing.
I happen to know that Jerry's involved in the dog show, so anybody who is... What I was going to say is that I don't know
Right, me and Louis, we're at the Ploughing match. We've ditched Heidi and Gemma. They're somewhere else, I don't know where. But like I said, we've come to the Ploughing match now. We're looking for somewhere. We've got some friends up here. Can't see the track. I'm not sure what track these bring. He's got several. And we can't see his one at the moment. Or one of his at the moment. So we think we might have come to the Ploughing match for nothing, but not that it matters because we'll watch some ploughing once it gets underway. Yeah, I don't know if you see the little engines and bits and pieces we were filming before this. I don't know where they come out. I hope they come out alright. But I don't know if we mentioned there's a biplane flying over here. Don't think you can see it. I'm trying to think. I can't see it on the viewfinder. It's about, where's my finger? It's about there. See if I can film that going over while we're here. Oh well, could have added that one to the Clacton air show, couldn't we? one, ain't it? Well, we think we found... No, that can't be, it's one, somebody else is in it. He's got 5,000. We're still looking for our mate, but we're not sure what he's bought. We know, well, that's a 3,000, he's got 5,000. But we're still looking. Righto. So that, widening that, there was a plough back out because he's not dropped in the farrow, so don't need a plough laying over. You really? Drop the angle again, look, open that one. A bit of setting them up though. So he didn't straighten his plough up, he didn't really plough out like the other one did. We just left it there, look. They're still on the... Still leading over, even though he's not in the farrow. When it goes through next time, yeah, that'll be right. Oh, yeah. No, I've been filming for 20 minutes, so you're too late now. Yeah. After walking around the whole ploughing match, I made a phone call, and my brother said, well, he's definitely bought the 135, and the new ploughing tips. So we looked at this one, couldn't find them, and he says, just had a new diesel pump. This has got a new diesel pump, so we're guessing our mate Phil is just left his one here. So don't know where he is, because we've been here a couple of hours now and we ain't seen him, so at least he has another problem. He's had to go off somewhere, we don't know. I don't think he's far away. Yeah. But there you go. That's it. That's what we've come to see. Is we've got 135. Yeah, he might have had issues with it because they put a new pump on it, but
You might get another one. Building up a massive fire.
I'm not building up a ploughing. Lifts it up, lifts the ground up. Hang on, I've got to show you a photo.
Okay, our second plane over today is the Coast Junior, owned by Captain Stuart Rudd and his wife Jane. Stuart flew the Gypsy Moth earlier.
I don't know if you can see, this is where we parked on the slope. You can see how high we are and how steep this slope is. It's a good job it didn't rain. I don't think we'd get up otherwise. We still might struggle now, I think. We'll see. Well, I don't want to go forward. Oh, the camera, it's filming. I don't want to go forwards. Don't stand behind us.
No, it's too steep a hill.
Too steep. There we go. Not too bad.
Press it off now.
Yeah, press the button. Hang on, we're not out of it yet. Right, we're back in. Well, we're in Barfield at the moment. We're just heading home, a couple of miles from home. We're just going to get some rolls from the co-op. Didn't get to see Philip plough in the end because that plough he normally uses on a little Fergie, and he's got wider wheels on his on the back of his 135. So it was actually running over what he was ploughing, so he didn't bother entering the ploughing match today. A little bit of fun though, because he was messing around with Louis, and he was trying to lift the weight off the seat, so Louis went springing up in the air, and he overdone it, and the springs popped off the seat. So we had to fix that. It's a bodge out so you can get home with the seat without the seat sitting on the gearbox. Yeah, it wasn't a bad day. Like I said, we're just going back now. It's only about 5 to 5, but it's dark. It's pretty much showing on camera, but it's dark. And even getting out from where we parked on that slope, we knew it was going to be bad when we got there. But yeah, we filmed a little bit of it, but afterwards I got more stuck again. Yeah, so it wasn't a bad day. Like I said, it only cost a £5 to park, but I mean, it doesn't cost you nothing to actually go in. So if you walk, park down the road or something, it will cost you a penny. So it's not bad. Ploughing, there's air displays, dog competitions, all kinds of little things going on in the place, around the place. Plus, I think there's a big house you can look at as well, if that's what you're into. But yeah, this is Barfield. If you've never seen Barfield before, Great Barfield, I should say. There's not a lot to it. Do a good garage sale here, but apart from that, I don't really, apart from drive through it, that's about it. Alright, okay, right. See you next time. Thanks for watching.
Drive me crazy. You're the reason I'm not lazy. I always see you walking by, but you're too cute and I'm too shy. And hey girl, what's your name? Who are we to blame? Things will never be the same since I set my eyes on you. I just try to time it right so I can eat with you tonight. I'll miss the distance, that's alright if I can see it. Apart when I saw you with another guy. And hey girl, what's your name? Who are we to blame? Things will never be the same since I set my eyes on you. And I just try to time it right so I can eat with you tonight. I'll miss the distance, that's alright if I continue to stare at you. I noticed that you changed your hair. Won't miss a thing, I swear. Try to time it right so I could eat with you tonight. I'll miss the Simpsons, that's alright if I can sit and stare at